First, open Steam. Go to your library. Right-click on Lost Soul Aside and select Properties. In the Properties window, go to Installed Files. Click on Browse to open the game's installation folder. Inside the game folder, open the PSPC folder. Right-click on Install PSPC SDK Runtime.bat. Select Run as Administrator. When prompted, press Yes. Wait for the program to install. Once it finishes, press any key to continue. Now, double-click PSPC SDK Runtime Installer.msi. Wait for the installation to finish. Next, double-click PSPC SDK Runtime Manager.msi. Let it install as well. Once both installers are complete, go back to Steam and launch Lost Soul Aside. The error should now be fixed, and the game should start normally. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the error. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.